Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Sanders coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
But as usual, peeps, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, we'll kick off the first video now.
Oh!
Bruh.
Look at this dude.
He needs some milk.
What? So, my friend, you go out there and see said this thing. Why? You feel enough.
Hey, what's going on, man? And I was looking on my timeline and I see all the pit bulls and the British bulldogs and everything else, you know what I'm saying? But they looking like kittens out that joint, man. I just want y'all to see what a real dog's supposed to look like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, he don't got too much play in him, you know. You just give him the word and it's like, oh. Calm down, baby. Calm down. Hey. We got it. You know.
Yo!
Ain't a lot of play in them. You know what I'm saying? It's that Mexican blood, that El Chapo. You know what I'm talking about? Now, relax, man. We good.
Let me say, yeah. When we spine at the dog is, the dog, first of all, me never did expect that the little dog they will look so fool to go from 0 to 12,000. My peeps, next video now.
She just drove. Okay.
So she knows that now.
Well, this is the second time she's done this. So she should now drive so that it's on the driver's side. The tank is on the driver's side.
The same side as her, right?
Yes. But she pulled a circle last time. No way is she gonna do it again. Now she's gonna back into the right. Yeah. No, she had it. If she would have no. Oh no.
Is she just going the same?
No, she would have had to pull around. Oh no.
Does she just not know which side the tank is on? Or does she think she's...
She knows. She has to know. She just saw that it's not on the passenger side. Okay, so she's pulled up again on the wrong side. Hang on.
Whoa, that person just whipped in there real quick like. What?
Hang on. Is she gonna realize it? Does she see it? She walks right past the gas tank. Okay. So now she's got it.
She has to.
So which one is she gonna pull into? She'll pull around
To the other side.
Yeah, she'll go to the other side.
Or
So
even this one.
yeah, she could back up. She could back up and get into it.
Okay.
What's she doing? She's pulling around. Okay.
Great. She's not.
Oh no.
She did it again. There's no way.
No. No, she's pulling.
Oh, she's backing up. Maybe she didn't notice.
No, she's getting out of the car. She's getting out of the car.
That girl I get me vexed. My friend, take our license from her. She'll get me vexed. Baby, seriously, you couldn't? Oh my God, my friend. If the thing, she buy her license, she must buy. Oh, she get the license. Oh, she get the license. My friend, yeah, what me now comment on it. Uno comment on it. Alright peeps, hope you enjoy them little clip there and thing. I know things kinda slow, but me I try to at least post and give you something once a week until things kick off. I think the government of Jamaica consider fly open the whole entertainment field, but them kinda cautious about certain things. So we just keep our finger crossed and hope for the best. We could enjoy them video there. The one with the pickpocket thing, I think it's staged still. That look away. My girl in the dance. Yeah. That dog there, from 0 to 12,000 in seconds. My girl with the sliding and dropping. You, I'm mad smaddy. Now, my girl with the driving, that's how my friend, I want to fight you. What you do, my friend, if you realize the thing that they on your side right there, so, right, in the on the passenger side, you don't drive around, my friend, to the next side, or two side, the gas pump have, you know, to go on your area, you know. Or two side, it have, you couldn't get the gas from that side there. But anyway peeps, thanks for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you think, and remember to check out my other YouTube page, Sinus Entertainment. Thank you very much for watching. Keep your finger crossed so the gate fly so we can give you more epic content. Alright? I'm just going journey with your boy. Ashoo!
The slim and trim, you know you can bend up, do anything. Can't do the dance if you are stuffed chicken, you have to murder.